Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to show you my City Pig Barbecue Chili Crusted Pork Tenderloin recipe. So we're going to start her up with making my CPQ Pork Rub. A lot of different chilies in here, some cinnamon, allspice, sugary stuff. Real nice, Clark. So starting her up, we're doing 3 tablespoons of Ancho chili powder. And after that, we got a couple tablespoons, 2 of light brown sugar. Moving on, Pasilla chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Can't find that, just use normal chili powder. And if you can't find the 2 teaspoons of Arból, just use Cayenne. 1 teaspoon of Chipotle powder, and then we're going half teaspoon of cinnamon and half teaspoon of allspice. So get your little whisk or fork. Sometimes the brown sugar gets a little clumpy, so make sure you get all that out, and then you're ready to go. Alright, so we got our 2 pork tenderloins right out of the package. We're going to chop that silver skin off. So do a little technique, slide the knife underneath, go out one side, get you a little handle, and then pull. Easy enough. So once you get all that good stuff off, they'll hopefully look like this. And then I'm cutting mine in half just to fit in a smaller pan at home while I'm inside sauteing. So you can leave them whole if you want, but this is how I'm doing it for this one. Now we're going to season all sides of the pork with some salt and then hit it with the CPQ Pork Rub. Get a good liberal base of the rub on all sides there. And get you the ends too and get a little excess. Alright, it's showtime. We got this thing set to high heat. Once that pan gets smoking hot, we're throwing the olive oil in, and then we're throwing that pork in too. Nice hot sear. So we're only trying to hit it for about 3 to 4 minutes on all sides, so total time. So once you get a good crust on one side, 30, 40 seconds, flip it over, get a good crust on the other side, and then what I also do is I'll hit it and get those little thin sides. I don't know if that's a side, the other part. After that, in the oven, 400 degrees, 3 to 4 minutes. We're trying to hit an internal temp of 145. While it's in the oven, I'll show you how to make a little sweet barbecue honey apple glaze. I'm using my City Pig barbecue sauce. Just any sweet sauce will do. I'll do 2 parts barbecue sauce, 1 part honey, 1 part apple juice. Nice little glaze. So when it gets out of that oven, and you got it to the right temp, we're glazing it immediately. Nice little love coating all over that beautiful pork tenderloin. And then once you get a good nice coating on there, we're going to put a little tent on it, let it sit for about 3 minutes, and let that glaze kind of set in. And when you're ready, plate it up, pour some of that sweet honey apple barbecue sauce on top, a little cilantro, maybe throw in some saffron rice and black beans, and enjoy.